we got our cathead biscuit. We have consumed it. It was a full 5 inches across. The picture doesn't, it makes it look like it's only 4.5, but it was a full 5 inches across. We're going to be turning right here. We're in Colbert, Georgia, Georgia Highway 92. We're turning right on 4th Street. I don't know what this is, Georgia Highway or Georgia Road. We're on our way to Howard Covered Bridge. Smithsonia, Georgia. I think it is Oglethorpe County. This is Madison County, I think here, but I think we'll get to Oglethorpe. This will show you how to get there from the north side, Georgia Highway 72. When we leave, we'll go out towards US 78 and show you how to get there if you do the reverse from the south side if you're coming from 78. Okay, we're going to be turning right up here at this next, not that road, but the next road. It says it's 8th Avenue. Smithsonia, that's where we're headed. We're turning right on Smithsonia Smithsonia Colbert Road. We must just turn into it. Probably right there at that stop sign. Georgia Back Road Drive to Howard Covered Bridge. Low 40s. Going to stay in low 40s, mid 40s. I think going down to 30 tonight, maybe 29. Maybe up to 50 tomorrow. I thought the rain was supposed to have already stopped, but as you can see, it hasn't. These windshield wipers are aggravating. They're making more noise than they should. This is the 2019. We're planning on getting it cleaned up when the weather breaks and getting it sold. And putting our efforts into the 98 and the 2000. And or if Chevrolet were to put zero financing on a van at the end of the year, we will explore trying to get a new van, or at least a newer one with a warranty, certified or something. We'll see. And we will be starting to look for a little patch of land somewhere. Put a tiny home, container home, something small and functional. It says we are 7 minutes away. As much as I've ridden out here, I don't know why I hadn't stumbled across this covered bridge before, but I haven't known anything about it. And my friend Lisa Smith told me about it a couple of weeks ago. So, we've got plenty to do back at the shop. We will be headed back there and getting stuff done there, but I said, well, heck, rainy fall morning, let's go get video of that bridge. And that way we can go back on a nice sunny day and get video of it. Because I went on it and have made a new playlist of covered bridges, and I'll have to go through my videos and see, try to put as many as I can find on this playlist. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. side. Not this side though. It is 1960 when this guardrail was built, or when this bridge was built. And just me guessing, I would say this when this road was paved, but I may be wrong about that. Awfully nice country out here. Big gated community, not a community, big gated farm, I guess. Entering Smithsonia Historic District. Like a golf course. It is a golf course. I don't know if it's private or what, though. I don't play golf, so I know nothing about golf. Watson Mills State Park, Watson Mill Covered Bridge to the left, 7 miles. We were there the other day. I'm guessing they're going to be turning on a dirt road, Chandler Silver Road. Wildwood Lane. This morning we were 1 subscriber away from 3,300 subscribers, so everybody jump on. We need to get to 10,000. We need to get to 30,000, but we need to get to 10,000 first. To get to 30,000, we've got to get to 10,000. That was a little dirt road, but it looked like it was so small it'd be a dead end into someone's home. Buying new windshield wipers, there's not much I can do about these. Everything else, windshield wipers used to last a lot longer than they do now. Very few products are made as good as they were 50 years ago. Design obsolescence or design failure. The idea now is to create more sales in the future, not to win loyalty and repeat business from the best product. It's all about the money. Okay, it looks like we're supposed to turn right up here. Well, no, a little bit further. I'm going to say that goes to a house. be a historical marker. Talked about the Howard family, one of the early pioneer settlers. Seems like we went and looked at a van out there the other day, about a couple of months ago. For sale? I think that was a for sale sign. And it looks like it'll be the next road coming up. This looks like a legitimate dirt road. When we come out, we may take it and give us a dirt road video. Okay, so that would be my guess. This dirt road, this is probably the way the dirt road was. And when it was paved in 1960, they changed the route and bypassed the covered bridge. There's the historical marker. And there is the covered bridge. How about that? Hit the let's not hit that big rock right there. Off. Okay, well, let's close everything up and walk up here and check it out. Let's go park out of the way in case someone else wants to get here. Okay, Howard's Covered Bridge. I took a picture of the historical marker, so we'll have that information when it was built and all of it. We'll come back on a nice day. It is cold. We walk to the other end with the Osmo. We'll stop here with this one. We'll turn very slowly. I think we'll get a little video with the Insta360 X5 too. And we'll pick this back up when we leave out, headed towards 78.